Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove a package not found from your Ubuntu machine. First we're gonna open the softwares and update. With this application we're gonna remove the software that doesn't exist. We have to identify the package that is not working. In this case is the HashiCorp and I will remove this package. I will move to the other software and let me identify the dependency. Is this one. I will click the password. I will type the password, sorry, authenticate, wait, and let me check if there are others packages from the app, from the system that doesn't exist. And in this case HashiCorp was the first problem, and I will type again the following command: sudo apt-get update. I will close the application, but I have to reload the application, refresh the cache, and have some other problems. Okay, there are some other problems, but I will type again the command and let me check if there is other problem. For this repository doesn't exist the release file. I will open again the software update and go to other software. We're gonna remove this package, launch bad content, loopers, and lunar ubuntu lunar. Okay, this is the package repository, sorry. Authenticate, close, reload, and this is all. I will type again the sudo apt-get update. I will restart the application, restart the system, and I will test again. Let me check. I already restarted the system, and I will test again with the following command. Type your password, and it's okay. We already solved the problem. We don't have any other issue with the repository, and well, for now we already finished. I hope that video helped you, and well, thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.